Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well at your homes by the grace of Allah. May God bless you all and keep you fine and healthy. As you all know, I am Miss Nasreen Fatma, your maths teacher. My dear students, for your better understanding, I decided to revise the previous lecture that are new for you. The topics are co-prime numbers, prime factorization by prime factor tree or by division method. Now first, co-prime numbers. If the common factors of two or more number is one only, then the number are called co-prime numbers. For example, the common factor of 2 and 3 is only 1, so the 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. Are these given pairs of the numbers are co-prime? Let's find 15 and 41. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and factors of 41 are 1 and 41. Only 1 is the common factor of 15 and 41. It means they are co-prime numbers. Now let's see another example of co-prime number. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 19, 1 and 19. 1 is the common factor of 12 and 19. It means, are they co-prime? Yes, they are co-prime number because they have one common factor, that is 1. Now let's find the product of prime factors. Any composite number can be split up into a product of prime factors. Primes which multiply to give the original number. When we multiply the prime factors of any number, we will get the number same. So, we will find the prime factors of 12 by prime factor tree. First, we will split 12 into two factors. The two factors of 12 are 6 and 2. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 is a prime number. We will stop this branch. Then we will split 6 into prime factors. The prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3, means 2 3s are 6. So the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. And when we multiply these prime factors, then we will get 12. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 means 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So we will write the answer with the sign of multiply, and these are called the prime factors of 12. Now let's find the prime factors of 18. Find the prime factors of 18. First we will split 18 into the pair of factors. 18 first split into 9 and 2 because 9 2s are 18. Then 9 is a composite number. We will split 9 more and 9 split into 2 branches, 3 and 3, because 3 3s are 9. So, but 2 is already a prime number. So the prime factors of 18 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now the factors of 84. First we will split 84 into 2 factors, 12 and 7. Then 12 is a composite number, 7 is a prime number, 12 further split into 2 factors, 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12. In these factors, the 3 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. So 4 will be further split into 2 factors, 2 and 2 means 2 2s are 4. So the factors of 84 are 12 multiplied by 7, 12 and 7 are the factors, then 12 split into 3 multiplied by 4, then 4 split into 2 multiplied by 2. So the prime factors of 84 are 7, 3 and 2 and 2. So the prime factors of 84 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. The prime factors of 108. The factors of 108, first we will split into 2 factors, 54 and 2. 54 2s are 108. 2 is a prime number, 54 is a composite number. It means we have to split 54 into 2 more factors, that are 3 multiplied by 18. 3 18s are 54. Now 18 is also a composite number. It will be further split into 2 factors, 3 and 6. 3 6s are 18. Then 6 split into 2 prime factors, 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So the factors of 108 are, the prime factors of 108 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Let's see an easy example. 30 prime factors of 30. 3 10s are 30. 3 is a prime number. Now we have to find the prime factors of 10. 2 5s are 10. So the prime factors of 30 are 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. Now the factors of 36. We have to find the factor of 36. First we will multiply 6 by 6. 6 6s are 36. 6 and 6 both are prime composite numbers. So we will split into prime factors. 6, 2 3s are 6. The prime factors of 6, 2 3s are 6. So the prime factors of 36 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. Now let's take one more example of the prime factorization by prime factor tree. Now the prime factor tree of 42. First we will resolve 42 into 2 factors. 2 21s are 42. Then 21 is an odd number or the composite number, so it will be divided into more factors. So 3 7s are 21. Now the prime factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. So 2 multiplied by 21 is equals to 42. 2 and 21 are the factors and 3 7s are 21. 3 and 7 are the factors. But in all these factors we have 3 prime factors. 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 7. So the prime factors of 42 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. Now let's find the prime factors by division method. 60 divided by 2 first. Always remember, when you will find the prime factors, you have to divide the number with the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. 2 30s are 60. Then 30 is a composite number and is an even number also. It can be divided by 2. 2 15s are 30 or 15 2s are 30. Now 15 is a composite, is an odd number and we cannot divide it by 2. So we will move towards the second prime number, that is 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 is a prime number. It can be divided by only 5. So 5 1s are 5. So the prime factors of 60 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now the prime factorization of 80. 80 is an even number, so we will start from the smallest prime number, that is 2, and 2 is the factor of every even number. So we can divide 80 by 2. 2 40s are 80. Then 40 is also an even number. 2 20s are 40. Then 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is not an even number. It's a prime number. It can be divided by 5 only. So 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 100, factors of 80 are 2 4s are 8 and 2 40s are 80. Then 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20 and 2 5s are 10. So the prime factors of 40 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 5. Now let's find the prime factors of 100. 100 is an even number and we are going to find the factors of 100 by division method. First, we will take the smallest prime factor, that is 2. 2 50s are 100. 50 is also an even number, so it will again divide it by 2. 2 25s are 50. Now 25 is a composite number. Now we will take another prime number. We cannot take 3 because 25 cannot be divided by 3. So we will take 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 is a prime number and it can be divided by 5 and 1 only. So 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 100 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. To explain the division method of prime factorization, we will take some more example. Now the example is 144 and we are going to divide 144 by division method. 144 is an even number, so we will divide it by 2 first. 2 72s are 42. 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. So 2 72s are 44. Then 2 36 are 72. Then 2 18s are 36. Then 2 9s are 18. We will divide the number continuously by 2 because we are getting the even numbers in all these steps. Now we got 9, but 9 is not an even number, it is an odd number, so we will divide it by 3. 3 threes are 9. Now the factors are 2 multiplied by 72, 3 multiplied by 36, 4 multiplied by 18, and 5 multiplied by 9, and 3 multiplied by 3. But the prime factors of 144 are 2, 3, 5, 3, and 3. So the prime factors of 144 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. In this example, 90 is also an even number, and when we will find the HCF by division method, we split the number into prime factors, so we will use the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 45s are 90. 45 is an odd number. It cannot be divided by 2, but it can be divided by 3. So 3 15s are 45. Then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 90 are 2 multiplied by 45, 3 multiplied by 15, 5 multiplied by 3. But the prime factors of 90 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. 15 and 45 are also the factors, but they are not prime. We split these numbers also into prime numbers, then we will get 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 multiplied by 5, 6 5s are 30. And 30 multiplied by 3, 33s are 90. See the example of the bigger number, 324. 324 is an even number and 2 is the factor of every even number. So we can divide 324 by 2. When we divide 324 by 2, 2 multiplied by 162 means 324. So 162 is a composite number, so we have to split into prime factors. 2 81s are 62. Now 81 cannot be divided by 2, so we will take 3. 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 324 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. My dear students, in our next lecture, we will do the reinforcement of common and the highest common factor means HCF. These topics are new for you. By the reinforcement of these topics, you can get more about HCF. Thank you so much, my students. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.